everyone, this is Analytics Kira. If you want to be a business analyst or want to train yourself on these mentioned tools, you search and share. This channel will train you on all the business analytics tool. And just subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Today we'll talk about 10 mostly used Excel formulas. Let's start with Sumif first. This is the sales data of XYZ company having the order date, region, representative name, item, units sold for these particular items, cost price, selling price, profit per unit company earned, and the total profit company earned. So what we need to find out here is how many mobiles were sold. So we can calculate this by using Sumif formula. We need to select range. Range is this one for the items, and criteria is we need to find for mobiles. This is the criteria, and we need to sum the range for units sold. So 169 are the count of units sold for mobiles. We can check this out from the data as well. Here we can check the count is 169. So this is the Sumif formula. Next is Sumifs. Here we need to find out how many mobiles were sold in North region on 2nd of November. So this will be done by Sumifs. Sum range will be units sold. Criteria range 1 will be items, and item is mobile again. And the second condition is second criteria range is region, and the region is north. Close the brackets. 96 were the mobiles sold in north region. We can check this out by applying some filters over here. So 96 is the count. Next is Countif. How many representatives are there from North region? So we can check this out by simply applying Countif. We can count the north from this particular range like this, and this will be 7 will be the representative count. Next is Countifs, and the question is how many times Ashley sold products in West region. So is equals to Countifs. Criteria range 1 will be this, we will count Ashley in this, and criteria range 2 will be region, and we will count West region. So 1 will be the count Ashley sold for once in West region. We can check this out to verify if the formula is correct or not. For Ashley, for West region, and here it is 1. Only one single count. Next is average. What is the average profit per unit? Simple formula is equals to average profit per unit. We need to find out, and we need to close the parentheses. This is the average profit. We can check this out as well if it is correct or not. Here you can see 7534.47. 7534.47. Next is Vlookup. Fill the representative IDs in column D. Okay, now here we have the data of sales, and in this particular sheet we have the representative IDs. What we need to look up is the representative IDs from representative name. Simple is equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is Ashley, and table array from which table we need to look at it. This one. Next is the column index number. Now the ID's column index number we need to write over here. First column is this, second column is this. So 2 will be the count of the array and 0 will be the approximate match. When we enter we can see this is the ID for Ashley, and if you drag the formula we'll find the IDs for all. You can check this out as well. Ashley EY23 EY23. So next is find out first two letters of representative name in column C and last two letters in column B. So column C we need to find out first two letters and here we need to find out last two letters. We can do this by write formula and we can drag this out for all. So simple. Next is match. Here we need to find out what is the cell position of Prince. Okay. So I can write over here Prince first of all and can use the formula match. So what I'll do over here is lookup value. What I need to look up Prince. Now the lookup array is this one. Here I need to look up Prince and there's 0. We can take that 0. So Prince is in the second position. 1, 2. Okay, now what if we need to find out Jessica? Look, the value changes over here. It is 3. Now what if I want to find for Britney? It is 4. So this is match. Next is index. Find out the value written in any specific cell. Okay. Suppose I need to find it for second. So first of all, so is equals to index. I need to select the array. Array is this one. Row number will be suppose this one. Column number will be 1. Okay. So second position in this particular array we have Prince. What if we want to find out a third position? It is Jessica. What if we want to find out a fourth position? It is Britney. So like this index formula works. Next is concatenate. This is also very useful formula when we have a huge data and we need to calculate the combination of two values or two text values. So there we use concatenate. First of all, let's read out the question. Question is calculate the combination of representative name and ID in column C. Okay. So concatenate is equals to what we need to do. Column number 1 is representative name and column number 2 is ID. Bracket close. Here we have its combination. Drag the value for all. So this is all about today's session, guys. Thanks very much for watching.